Welcome to this tutorial on training Flux Kontext LoRAs in Scenario. Flux Kontext LoRAs introduce a new way of training custom editing models built from and for your own art or style. Instead of simply learning what a style or brand looks like, these LoRAs focus on how to apply a transformation. In other words, how to turn an input image into another visual, guided by text instructions. This is extremely powerful, as it means you can train a model that really gets the exact kind of transformation you want on an image, even those very targeted edits that base models like NanoBanana, Seedream Edit, or Qwen Edit can't easily handle. With custom context models, you can teach the system to render a sketch in your own style, or to perform a transformation of pose, angle, or character. The training process works a little differently. With standard Flux LoRAs, you only match a training image with a descriptive caption to teach the style. With Flux Kontext, training is based on three elements: a before image, an after image, and the editing instructions that explain what should change between the two. These instructions aren't just a description of the picture, like a regular caption would be. They're actual editing commands. For example, render this line art sketch into a full-color animated scene. To train your own Flux Kontext LoRAs, you'll first need to curate a dataset of image pairs. Each pair should include a clear before and after example of the transformation you want to teach. Usually, 5 to 20 pairs of high-quality images are enough to get strong results. Once your dataset is ready, head into Scenario's training interface. From the top main menu, go to Create, then Train, and select Flux Kontext as your base model. Upload your images first, then drag and drop them to arrange them as pairs. After that, write your edit instructions for each pair. You can either use the same instruction across all pairs or adjust them slightly if needed. What really matters is that your instructions are clear and consistent throughout the dataset. For example, if you're training a sketch-to-render model, each caption could say something like, "Render this line art sketch into a full-color scene." If you're using a trigger word, include it in exactly the same way every time. You can also set up test pairs to track your training progress and evaluate the quality of each epoch. Scenario allows you to upload up to 4 of them, and it's best to use all 4 for more accurate monitoring through the training process. For each slot, upload a new input image that is not already a part of your training dataset, and provide the corresponding instruction next to it. You will see the corresponding output image generated for each epoch, and you'll also be able to compare epochs side by side to select the version that delivers the best results. Once your pairs and instructions are set, you can then configure the training parameters, such as learning rate, batch size, repeats, and epochs. In most cases, it's best to leave these settings on auto, since that usually delivers the best results. When everything is ready, go ahead and start the training. Depending on the size of your dataset, the process can take anywhere from 30 minutes to a few hours. While the training runs, Scenario automatically generates preview outputs using your test captions and test images, so you can see how well the model is learning at different stages. You'll also be able to compare different epochs, which lets you compare results and pick the version that best fits your needs. At the end of training, your new Flux Kontext LoRA will be saved directly in your Scenario account. To access it, simply click Use this model, or go to the Edit with Prompts interface and load the model into the panel on the left. Once the model is loaded, upload an image that's similar to the before images from your training set. Then, write an instruction that matches the instructions you used during training. The model will apply the transformation in the same way as in your training pairs, and it will do so very consistently. Kontext LoRAs let you teach the AI to make consistent, precise changes that are fully tailored to your style and your instructions, all based on the pairs you choose. The possibilities are endless, from rendering and style shifts to character edits, object merging, brand integration, or even subtle refinements that preserve the original structure. This gives you a whole new level of creative control. Be sure to check out our knowledge base for more examples and use cases. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.